Gentle yoga stretches for beginners to practice at home. Imagine starting your day with a sense of calm, your body feeling light and your mind at peace. Welcome to Easy Yoga Stretching for Beginners at Home. Yoga isn't about twisting yourself into complex shapes. It's about finding balance and harmony. Let's begin with a simple cat-cow stretch to awaken your spine. Breath is your guide. Inhale as your back dips down, welcoming openness. Exhale as you arch your back, embracing your inner strength. Feel the gentle rhythm. Next, transition into a child's pose. Stretch your arms forward as your forehead rests softly on the ground. This is your safe space, a moment of refuge. Slowly rise to a seated position for a seated forward bend. Extend your legs, reach for your toes. Don't worry about how far you go. It's your journey. Now, let's stand for a tree pose. Plant your feet firmly, find your balance, and slowly lift one foot to your inner thigh. Rooted, yet reaching for the sky. Feel the gentle stretch in your neck with some easy neck rolls. Let go of any tension. Each roll says, goodbye, to stress, welcoming a lighter you. As we near the end, lay down for a bridge pose. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, your heart open to new possibilities. Breathe into this space. Finish with a lying down spinal twist. Let your knees fall gently to one side, gaze to the other. Embrace the twist, the turning points of life. Namaste.